we still have a problem. There's no Ford Fiesta right here underneath my garage. So with this video, we're gonna change that. Ford, I think you can help me. But first, let me help you. Let's honk if you drive a Ford. So come on, let's go out to the streets of Lafayette and see what they think. All right guys, we got our sign. Let's see who's gonna honk because they drive a Ford. Here we go. Yeah! One. He wasn't even a Ford, that's awesome. That means he wants me to have a Ford. Yeah! 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 Woo! Alright, here comes another one. Yeah! Yeah! It was a little one, but it counts. Yeah! Yeah! Ford! Ford! Yeah! Ah, yeah! That's a Ford! Yeah! Yeah! He caught me off guard. That was awesome. Yeah! 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 It seems like Ford drivers are a real happy bunch, don't you agree? Now just picture this. LaneVids as a Ford driver. Holy bejeebus, I might be this happy. Hey guys, if y'all want to watch the behind the scenes, click my face so you can go and watch that video. I need a car. I don't have a car right now. Come on, Ford, hook a brother up.